Rochelle says that hasn't used CapCut in forever. May have used it once, but she removed the app and reinstalled it. So are they now charging? So yes, do now have, and it has at least a few years since I've been using it, but right now they have it, believe the price is $7.99 per month, or you can get it for a $74 trial to explore the pro features right now, which you can try out. And usually when you're in the app, each of the features will show a pro version. It's like a little diamond that shows you that it's a pro version. It will allow you to use it, but then when you go to export, it will say you have 5 pro features. Do you want to become a member? I went to my CapCut on my work phone, and as you can see, it's looking for me to log in. I'm just going to X out of that. I look at my profile, it shows I'm not signed in. I don't have, it wants me to join. So I am starting fresh, just like you would have. So when I go in here, I'm going to start a new project, a recent video here. So this is from, and me and my son here are prepping the water before we go. So I'm going to go into captions down the bottom. And I know that auto captions is a pro feature. I'm also picking this template here. So it has the blue diamond here. And when I go into advanced options, I have identify filler words. I have that clicked. I'm going to hit generate, and it's going to find all the dead space, any filler words. It's going to cut that out, and it's going to show me what it comes up with. And this is part of my basic editing. And this is what I found to be quickest shortcut for editing videos, but become a pro member. It searches for any duplicate words, filler words, dead space. Say this one here at 10 seconds shows 0.8 clips, which is a pro feature. And again, you can do this without it. Try it again. So even though it allows you to do it, it doesn't let you process it. So I'm just going to hit X and get out of it. So it didn't process any of the dead space to where the captions are, starts and stops. So this is kind of when you go getting rid of all of the non-speaking portions, because there might be some action in the video. You know, my son handed me that bag of ice I want to cut it a little bit shorter. So the other thing, just while I'm here, something quick to do too, is doing a time lapse. So just tapping on that and hitting speed at the bottom, normal, and maybe jump that up to, let's say 5 times, just like that. So it's still in there. So it's a way you can cut down your videos without losing footage. Show something visual, or use voice part of your video, or even a video and kind of tuck it up in the corner as an overlay. So I kind of condense down those sections, and soon we'll see what's capable of the video. And at the end, I am getting rid of this CapCut screen. So I delete it low in there. Okay, so if I go to, export, it tells me join CapCut Pro to unlock all the features. So once it shows you this, it knows that I'm using those. I get no options here. So what I'm going back into is captions, and I'm eliminating what I've done. I didn't add any other paid pro features. So I'm able to use the captions. I would have to go through and listen for the cut if the options are paid. It's a question of how much you use video in your business in it for a year, or the $8 per month. Other apps do the same thing. You have to process it, and I can export it. Whereas here, it seems you can't do much of anything. The option there is to do your editing within the apps, within TikTok, within Instagram, and do it if that's been doing it. So a lot of other softwares and other apps. So it's a matter of, is that a big part of your business, and it is something that you want to. So I hope this helps figuring out between the free version and the pro version of CapCut and what is available.